MULN stock analysis and MULN stock predictions. The question is whether I'm buying, whether I'm not, and I'm gonna break down everything in this brief 1-minute video. Well, I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, and when I tell you this, I really have documented everything. You know, all 40,000 videos are on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, every single day grinding, and with MULN specifically, just a bearish market for me. Really not trying to be that guy that just craps on stocks, but this is just the truth. I mean, MULN is not even the first time I'm bearish. You see, I have receipts even from 2023 when I was bearish, and this trend just continued. Yeah, we're gonna have some random pump ups here and there, and yeah, some people make money like 3x, 4x, but in this specific case, I mean, for me, I genuinely am just looking to take this thing even further lower. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.